says, Robert the Bruce's enthroned as King of Scots at school in Perthshire. There he was crowned with a circlet of gold by Isabella, Countess of Buchan. Legend tells that the gold from Bruce's simple circlet forms part of the Scottish crown today. There is no proof that this is so, but the circlet of gold begins the remarkable story of the honours of the kingdom, Scotland's crown jewels. In late March 1306, Robert the Bruce was enthroned as King of Scots at Scone in Perthshire. There he was crowned with a circlet of gold by Isabella, Countess of Buchan. Legend tells that the gold from Bruce's simple circlet forms part of the Scottish crown today. There is no proof that this is so, but the circlet of gold begins the remarkable story the honours of the kingdom, Scotland's crown jewel.